You don't have to eat like a pig.
This tastes good.
It's soda.
More soda.
You're being very rude. I think you should say please and thank you. Manners are important here in the real world.
Thank you.
Good, that's much better. But drink it slowly.
Yes, ma'am. May I now drink my soda?
You don't have to ask. Please don't. Burping is just so crude. Just keep it in now. That could hold it back.
He's gonna explode.
We gotta hide him.
It must be Mom. I'll keep her busy.
What are you doing?
Horses like peanut butter too, Mom.
Are you two all right?
Sure, Mom. We're just sitting around. Thanks, the sandwiches were really good.
Yeah, we all liked them.
I see that. I thought I heard a car door shut.
No.
I think it's time for us to go to bed.
Yeah, we're both really tired.
Isn't that blanket supposed to be kept in the car? What's it doing lumped on that chair in such a funny way?
He's really invisible. Yeah, Mom can't see him.
What did you say? Can't see what?
He said he can see you.
Is everything all right with you two?
Sure, Mom. We're coming in soon.
Yeah, like real soon, Mom. Excuse me.
Okay, I give up. What's going on?
Nothing's going on, Mom.
Well, okay. Come in soon.
That's what happens when you eat like a pig.
What is a pig?